Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix lag on your NVIDIA app. So let's get started. So if you want to fix lag on your new NVIDIA app, what you have to do is just change some settings. So just open up your NVIDIA application, and after opening up your NVIDIA application, now what you can do is just tap on drivers, which is on the left side of your screen. After tapping on drivers, in the top right you can find Studio Driver. So if it is set on Studio Driver, you just have to change it to Gaming Ready Driver. So by changing it to Game Ready Driver, what it does is it provides the best gaming experience. So Game Ready Driver is used for playing games, so games like GTA and some other games. But the second option, which is Studio Driver, the Studio Driver is used for creative apps such as Photoshop, Adobe, and any 3D modeling app or any AI app that you like to use. So it is used for the creative work, and the gamer ready app and the gamer ready driver is used for gaming. So if you're trying to play games, just select that gamer ready driver, and after doing that, now what you can do is just tap on graphics. Now after tapping on graphics, you just have to tap on global settings, and inside your global settings you can find this first option which says RTX dynamic vibration. So you just have to turn off that RTX dynamic vibration. That will improve your gaming experience. And you can find this third option which says CUDA GPUs, CUDA GPUs, that option, and you just have to change this option to your main GPU settings. So change this to your main graphics card and then tap on apply, and you have to turn off most of these options. So by turning off these options, you will have a better gaming experience without any lags. And here you can find this option which says VSync, and over here you can find this option which says vertical sync, which also means VSync, and you just have to turn this option off, or you can just apply this option while you play games. So what it does is it will reduce your frame rate, but it will provide a better gaming experience with high graphics. If you want, you just have to turn this option off. If you don't, you can just keep it off. If you don't want that, you can just keep it on. And after doing that, now what you can do is just tap on program settings. And after tapping on program settings, now if you have downloaded the game, you just have to tap on that game. After selecting that game, you can find after selecting that game, you can find the option called performance in the top. So after changing your global settings, now what you can do is just tap on program settings, and inside your program settings, now you can select a game that you have downloaded. I have not downloaded any game. You might have downloaded some games. You just have to select one, and in the top you can find a slider which says performance. So just slide it towards down, or just decrease the performance. By decreasing the performance, you'll improve your gaming experience with low lag. And after doing this, now what you can do is just tap on settings, and after tapping on settings, now inside features, you just have to turn this option which says NVIDIA overlay, and this will significantly improve your gaming experience. But you can't use some new NVIDIA overlay features, so just turn this off if you are facing some problems. And after that, now you just have to turn this option off which says automatic download. And after turning those options off, now you might have fixed your problem, and while you play games, you might not face any lag. So that's it guys, this is how to fix lag on new NVIDIA app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.